So we're finally gonna start taking it apart, getting ready for the roll cage and everything that's gonna happen. But since it's it, we're gonna have a little bit of fun. I thought I'd make a video, update you guys where it is, tell you that we're actually gonna start working on something in here, and maybe go over the ideas and maybe some more of the removal of the inside of the interior. Hey, you work for the city. Do you want me to lift that for you?
Yes, please.
Might hurt your feelings doing some work for once. What?
So my hair is back.
Yeah. If you throw your back out, I can call you a rat.
You're using that?
Yeah. I have video evidence that you lifted something, so.
How's our door? Oh, how's that?
That's where the limit's drawn.
Some good tires for it. Winter rated.
Yeah, we had better traction than I thought we would, so. Alright guys, so now that the car is done in the snow and we realized it didn't actually work how we wanted, we ended up start taking more apart. So the whole back's emptied, pretty much the full interior is gone other than the dash. We still got to take that out. I got to take this little trim off up here, which is next to nothing. And the windshield's probably going to have to come out to make it easier to weld the cage in, and also the cowl, because we're going to be doing some motor work, which we're going to get into later on, which we may have to cut a little bit of this out, but we'll wait to see then. So for now, I'm just going to probably leave this here. I don't know if I'm going to add much more into this because it might be a couple months before I actually get the cage in or do any more work to it. So for now, this is going to be it. So just like and subscribe, and there's more shit coming up pretty soon.